Welcome the our channel. Today we how to restore required minimum distributions with Fidelity detailed guide step by step. To restore required minimum distributions with Fidelity, start by logging into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Accounts and Trade tab located in the main menu. Select Retirement Accounts from the drop-down options. Find the account for which you need to restore the required minimum distribution. Click on the specific account to open the account details. Look for the Manage Your Distributions link within the account overview. Select Required Minimum Distributions from the options presented. Review the current distribution options available to you. If your distributions are not set up, you may need to initiate a distribution request. Click on the Initiate RMD button to begin the process. Follow the prompts to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Choose the method for receiving your distribution, whether by check or direct deposit. Verify your personal information to ensure accuracy. Review the tax implications associated with your withdrawal. Confirm your selections before proceeding to submit the distribution request. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification regarding your request. Check your email for any additional instructions or confirmations from Fidelity. Monitor your account for the distribution to be processed. Keep a record of the transaction for your future financial planning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.